Hi friends, happy to be back with another dishwasher video. Well, what do I say? My love for dishwashers doesn't seem to diminish. Jokes apart, there is so much to learn about dishwashers that I end up making more and more videos to share my learning with you viewers. As you all know by now, mine was the first Indian channel to have uploaded a dishwasher video showing the washing of typical Indian utensils. I've uploaded 50 plus videos on dishwashers alone, though I do demo review videos of other appliances as well in my channel. These videos are on my 1.5-year-old BOSCH dishwasher, 2-year-old tabletop Beko dishwasher and the LG dishwasher, which I had with me for a brief period. You can visit my channel to see these videos and the playlists. I am giving the link of these in the description as well. So let me talk about today's video. Many of you have requested me to make a cleaning video, that is cleaning of dishwasher. So in this video, I'm going to show the cleaning of my BOSCH dishwasher using this crystal dishwasher cleaner. So in this video, I'll be explaining the step-by-step procedure of how to use this cleaner. So please watch the video till the end, as I have not only shown the results but also have tried to explain what it does to the machine and whether you need to use it at all. Though you get other brands of dishwasher cleaners, I'm going to use this crystal dishwasher cleaner. This is a 250 ml pack, one time use. This is a lemon fresh variant. In case you are interested in buying this product, you can check for the link below in the description. So let us see how to use this. So first thing is, the dishwasher has to be empty of dishes, as well as the detergent compartment has to be empty. There should not be any detergent. Remove this. So the next thing is, the drain filter has to be cleaned. Because any food residue will hamper the efficiency of the cleaner, and the cleaner will not clean the filter. So if it is not clean, it's better to clean it and fix it back before using this cleaner. My filter needed cleaning, so I have cleaned the filter. I'm going to fit it back now. I've posted a separate video on how to clean the filter. If you, in case you want to watch it, you can click the link above to watch the same. So the next step involves the placing of this cleaner inside the machine. As per the instructions, you can see a sticker here. Only the sticker has to be peeled, and the container has to be placed on the top rack, inverted. So let's do it. So I've removed the sticker. We should not remove the lid. And now I have to place it inverted on the top rack, in between the plate stand. So I think this place will be perfect. So after this, I close the machine and I'll tell you which program to choose. So as per the instructions on the pack, they are told to run a program cycle with temperature of 65 degrees. My machine doesn't have a program having 65 degrees. Only the eco program has a rinse temperature of 65 degrees, so I'm going to opt for that. As you can see, my earlier program, and by default the machine goes to the eco, so it's already in the eco mode only. 2 hours 55 minutes. I'm going to start the machine. So the program has got completed some time back. I had gone out, so I'm opening it after almost half an hour. Let me see how it is. It looks very clean. I'm getting a nice lemony fragrance. The bottle as it is. So it's emptied. Bottle is empty. And overall the machine looks clean. Even otherwise, my machine is always clean generally, because my water is very soft. But I'm sure even the drain pump and drain pipe also would have gotten cleaned because of this, whatever parts I cannot see. that you have seen the results, the question is whether or not to use a cleaner. The answer is both a no and a yes. No, in the case where you are living in an area where your water is very soft, as there won't be any limescale formation or blockage of your spray arm holes or any white patches to be found in the machine. So it's a no there, you don't have to use any cleaner. Here I can add that in all these 10.5 years of my using my BOSCH dishwasher, I have hardly used any cleaner. I have just used one fortune descaler. That too was to make a video and share it with my viewers, and this is the second time I am using the cleaner. So wherever there is soft water, you don't need to use a cleaner. But in case you have hard water, it's a compulsory yes. You have to use a cleaner. How frequently depends on again the conditions of the water, the hardness of your water. So once you can try using it once a month, see the results and accordingly increase or reduce the frequency. This is definitely going to help the performance of the machine, and not only it will help in descaling, removing all the line scales, and also the white patches and everything will disappear. It will not only clean the interior of the machine, but also all those parts which are not visible like the water pump and everything will also get descaled very well using any type of cleaner. I am sure many of you will be already using these cleaners. So whatever brand or type you are using, please share your experience with me, write it to me via email or in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you all. Stay tuned to my channel for more interesting videos like these. Till then, it is Mona signing off. Take care, stay safe.